Hi, good evening. What we're going to do is do a problem somewhat similar to problem number 15 in the Unit 5 homework. Basically, problem 15 in the Unit 5 homework says, it takes Winnie about 14 minutes to type and spell check 10 pages of a manuscript. So find out how long it takes her to type and spell check 55 pages of that manuscript. Round your answers to the nearest whole number if necessary. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a problem similar to it. So for instance, I took an example, and here it is. It takes Bob 16 minutes to spell check 9 pages of a manuscript. How long will it take him to spell check 57 pages? All right. So it takes him 16 minutes to do 9 pages. Okay. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to set up a proportion. So in this case, 16 minutes for every 9 pages of work. And we want to set that equal to, well, we're trying to figure out how long it takes him to spell check 57 pages. So we're trying to figure out the time. We're trying to figure out how long. So that's going to be our variable. That's going to be, let's say, I don't know, let's choose X just because we're feeling very adventurous tonight. So let's say we choose X because that's what we're trying to figure out. And it takes him X amount of minutes to spell check 57 pages. Okay, so we get 16 over 9 equals X over 57. So in order for us to solve a proportion, this is when we cross multiply. So we take 57 times 16, so 57 times 16, well, that gives us 912, equals 9 times X. So that would be 9X. All right, so now in order for us to divide, or in order for us to solve for X, we have to divide both sides by 9 because we have a 9 times X. To undo multiplication, to break that up, we divide, we do the opposite. So if we divide both sides by 9, well then we have 912 divided by 9, which gives us around the ballpark of 101.3 equals X. So the direction said to round to the nearest whole number, so that means we would have 101 equals X. Now what this says is that it's going to take him 101 minutes to review or to spell check 57 pages. So for this problem, the answer would be, it will take Bob about 101 minutes to spell check 57 pages. Okay? Taking about 101 minutes to spell check 57 pages. Now, the key thing is, you've got to set up your proportion. So in this part, it's your initial time over the amount of papers that they need spell check equals what we're trying to find, like how long it's going to take to spell check 57 pages. The problem number 15 in the homework works the exact same way, just different numbers. Okay? So hopefully this might help out a little bit. This might give you a little bit better explanation. As always, please don't hesitate to let me know. All right, if you got any questions, let them go.